The Karnataka government has shut the doors on the Jan Aushadhi Kendras inside state-run hospitals and of course allowed existing licenses to lapse once their term ends. A government order signed by the health department's top official has rejected 31 fresh Kendra applications and set the stage for nearly 200 stores to now shut down. While Kendras outside hospital campuses will be allowed to operate, those within government facilities are being phased out, with the state citing its policy of giving free medicines to all hospital patients. Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao defended the decision and said, and I quote him here, Jan Aushadhi provides subsidized medicines, but Karnataka provides medicines for free. Why would we need Jan Aushadhi inside our hospitals? Now, the Principal Secretary also echoed the sentiment, saying the state is now giving hospitals adequate financial support to ensure free drug availability and there's no longer an excuse of funding gaps. To that end, the Karnataka State Medical Supplies Corporation has been asked to procure generic medicines directly from the Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India or BPPI and supply them to hospitals. But the move has triggered considerable outrage. BJP MPs Tejasvi Surya and Shobha Karanlaje accused the Congress government of being anti-poor and dealing a blow to the Modi government's affordable pharma scheme. Tejasvi Surya actually forewarned that the decision hurts both patients and entrepreneurs. And the Jan Aushadhi Kendra Owners Association says that livelihoods are now at great risk, with many entrepreneurs having taken loans to set up outlets inside hospital premises. In some places, like Neelamangala, closures were immediate. In others, like Siddhapura, operators have been given some time, that is until 1st of June. Government officials, however, are insisting that they are not shutting stores overnight, but letting them operate and, kind of see to it that the licenses run out in a phased manner. The standoff. The standoff brings to light a critical debate between subsidized access and free public health care. But with store operators facing closure and patients are getting caught in crossfire, the transition may be anything but smooth. Let's talk about it. Satyaprakash is here. He's the spokesperson for the KPCC, and Dr. Sudha R. Halkai, spokesperson for the BJP in Karnataka. A warm welcome to both of you. Thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. Dr. Halkai, let me come to you first. Apart from the view of what Tejasvi Surya and Shobha Karandlaje have said, I just feel access to the poor. Are you a medical doctor, Dr. Halkai?
Yeah, I'm a medical doctor.
Very good. I think access to medicines, whether subsidized or free, is a great boon for the poor. There are
Exactly.
very expensive medicines for terminal diseases, and I've seen it in hospitals, government hospitals in Delhi, like AIIMS, where some of them have to go out and buy it, and they are very happy when they get it on a subsidized rate. They can't afford it. What is the great need? This is a central scheme, right? What is the great hurry to shut these stores just because you are giving free medicines in government run hospitals? But that will also not suffice, no? We are so many patients.
At the foremost, I'd like to tell that I feel this is one more a pharma lobby which the Karnataka government is stepped into, because their only agenda is collection and corruption. And second thing is this is a on a larger aspect, this is a politica vendetta which is overriding over the public interest and which is going to be very deadly dangerous. We have seen earlier also how the Karnataka government, state government, is still not implementing the Ayushman health scheme for the senior citizens, because of which two of the senior citizens had committed suicide. And I don't know now how many poor people and the middle class people are going to suffer, because the stores which are run by the state government are absolutely, they don't have the sufficient essential medicines. Out of 765 medicines, I think only 50% of the medicines are available in the state-run hospitals, and other 50% they are not available. So this was a boon. The Jan Aushadhi Kendra was a boon to all the people, because they could go and take the medicines at a very affordable price, which was giving a subsidy of 50% to 90% of discount was given on the medicines, especially the generic medicines. Take it blood, BP, sugar and cancer and all other medicines. This was really, Jan Aushadhi Kendra was a boon to all the people. And this was a very good welfare scheme which the central government had got both for the customers as well as for the small business people. And by dismantling it, these people are absolutely putting them into unemployment and lot of financial crisis. And the way they are, without completing the essential medicines in the state-run hospitals, and with consistently, okay, with consistently they're not getting the medicines. I don't know with what authority they're going to take back all the generic Jan Aushadhi Kendras, and where are all the poor people who are, where are they supposed to go and buy them? And this shows the absolute negligence towards the public health sector. The
Satya, you want to come in here?
And one more thing I would like to put a point. Already, this is not only the problem of pharma. There is absolute unemployment. There is deficiency of the doctors. We have seen how there was maternal death which had taken place in Karnataka.
Bellary.
There are problem with the sufficient, Bellary, Kalburgi. I myself have visited 2 of the cases. I'm still attending them. There are insufficient nursing staff. 60 patients, 1 nursing staff is taking care in Kalburgi.
Right.
200 nurses are yet to be appointed. And when it comes to the drug controllers, 117 drug controllers should be appointed.
All right, Satya.
Only 12 drug controllers are there.
Satya Prakash, 2 comments, sir.
Okay. Yeah. See, first of all, we need to understand what is the government order is all about. Don't just fool people of Karnataka. There are 1,200 Jan Aushadhi Kendras in Karnataka.
Okay.
Not all have been shut down. There are around 150 to 200 Jan Aushadhis within the government hospital premises. Within the government hospital premises, there are pharmacies of the government which provide free medicines to all the patients in the hospital. This year, our government has gone one step ahead and given enough funds to those stakeholders within the hospitals, the hospital directors and all. You also buy generic medicine like Jan Aushadhi Kendras are buying. We also will give you enough funds and give it for
the
free
medicines
for the
are only
customers.
not available over there, Satya Prakash ji. The problem is the deficiency of the medicines over there.
That is why I get, furious in this show that you don't allow me to speak. Or I will speak, but you all speak, give me just 2 minutes.
Satya, that was not me. That was Dr. Halkai. We both
I'm
share a common name, Sudha. But that Sudha was the Dr. Sudha, not the journalist Sudha. Go ahead, Satya.
I'm talking to her only.
Okay.
See, unfortunately, in this show, I am the only one who has to speak on behalf of the government. And you should give me enough time. Otherwise, this show is
Thank
waste.
you. I
Because
thank you
will
for
not know
that,
what is the
Satya
stand of
Prakash.
Congress and what is the stand of this government.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Satya.
See, all the 31 applications, new applications which are there, the government feels that it is not needed because we have given adequate support to the existing pharmacies which are government pharmacies. And the patients will get it for free. The second point is, these Jan Aushadhi Kendras now can go outside the hospital and still be there. Outside the hospital premises, you can open any number of Jan Aushadhi Kendras that you want. We have no problem with it. But we are not going to give special new permissions for those within. And those who are already there, until there will be a contract. No, until that is there, they're going to be here. So people of Karnataka need not fear. Now, if the contract ends, these Jan Aushadhi Kendras can just go few yards away from the hospital.
Prakash, may I
still
speak
open.
now, sir? May I please speak on this South Indian show?
Please,
Thank you, sir,
please.
for your permission. Satya, your words. Let me quote it back to you. You say, we have no problem if they are operating outside the hospital premises. So, you do have a problem. The problem is of competition. State scheme versus central scheme. And caught in the crossfire is who? Patients. Much like Operation Sindoor, where you may have come together with the nation, when it comes to the poor, and India struggles, India's poor struggle day in and day out, running across hospitals trying to stay alive. It is people like me who have longevity problems, sir, not them. I will live longer, God willing. This medicine, that medicine, one medicine for 1,000 rupees. Privilege, no. But what about those poor people? Why should you have a problem at all in the first place? That's my question. Dr. Halkai, come in here. Dr. Halkai.
First, we should understand the patient attenders. Let us please understand the condition of the patient attenders who are taking care of the patients. At the same time, in the government hospital, most of the lower economic patients are admitted. And definitely, when there is shortage of medicines, it is difficult for them to go outside their parameters and get the medicines. And they're not all well educated, I must say. So, in fact, when these Jan Aushadhi Kendras are there within the state-run hospitals, it is going to be very convenient for them to take the medicines. First thing. Second thing, the central government has come up with 10,000, going to come up with 10,000 new Jan Aushadhi Kendras, wherein we are thinking with the paramount of the how to take care of our people of our country, irrespective of any state. The poorest to poorest people should be attended in all these sectors, especially the health. That's why we have got so many health schemes over here. And here, the state government is removing 207 Jan Aushadhi Kendras, and this Jan Aushadhi Kendras, the investment was done by those owners who had taken up this lease, and they had constructed the medical stores inside the government hospital. What about the funds that they have invested? Aren't they going to be at loss? How are they going to repay their loans? 207 stores is not a small amount. And what about the patients who are attending in the government hospital?
No,
Is
no,
it easy for them to go
entrepreneurs who
outside
have,
and get it?
like Dr. Halka is saying that, what about those who have taken the loans and set up these stores? Why are they also being caught? It's not their fault. Who's going to reimburse them, like doctor says?
Stores are not set up in the hospitals. She doesn't know the fact. They have
I know the
taken
fact, sir. It
buildings
is
of our
set up in the
government
hospital. Then from
premises.
where you are removing the
Please
stores?
understand.
From where you are removing the
One
stores?
second,
You are
madam.
removing
Please
it from the
listen to
state
me,
hospitals
madam.
only,
If
isn't
you
it?
don't
I am
listen to me,
clarifying it, sir. I am
it will be
clarifying
too
it to you,
Sudha
sir.
show without Satya Prakash, isn't it? It will be too Sudha show minus Satya Prakash. So allow me to tell. In no hospital, as per my knowledge, any entrepreneur has gone and built a store there, and space is provided by the hospital. Now what our people are telling is, we are doing the same thing and we are going to give free to those patients. So we don't want another Jan Aushadhi Kendra within the hospital. That is a policy decision of the state government. But if you feel that some of the medicines are still not available and they have to, as Sudha is telling, the patients have to go out and buy, please open any number of Jan Aushadhi Kendras outside the hospital premises. We have no problem with it. Any Jan Aushadhi
Satya
Kendra, for example,
Prakash,
Can I come in,
Satya
Sudha?
Yeah, just a minute,
Can I come in?
doctor.
Yeah.
Doctor, just a minute. Why is it
Yeah.
an either or option? The more the merrier should be the only way out. If I go to your free, outlet within, let's say, Manipal Hospital, just for the heck of it. Please, Manipal Hospital, don't get me wrong. Okay, XY Hospital. I go into that hospital and I say, give me this medicine. They say, ma'am, we don't have this. Can you come tomorrow? Then I have the option of going to Jan
also you
Aushadhi.
don't have all the medicines.
Jan-
In Jan Aushadhi also you don't have all the medicines.
At least I have an
I have
option,
gone to
no?
Jan Aushadhi
You are
Kendra.
closing
Not
down all the
Most of the
options.
medicines are
I
there.
have
Most
been
of
to
the medicines are there.
hospitals, lot of hospitals and very premier hospitals also. So we don't have it today, ma'am. Can you come the day after? I said again. How can I come? So I can go outside. AIIMS, let me tell you, come to AIIMS Delhi. Outside there are a string of chemical shops. Because you don't get it there, you can go get it. Some of them say, much like what Jan Aushadhi says, achhi dawai, sasti dawai. Doctor, come in here.
Yeah. What Mr. Satya Prakash was telling, they have not installed a store over there. Mr. Satya Prakash, let me tell you that there has to be so many racks in where the medicines have to be kept, and that is where they have to invest for the furnitures and all other things. First thing. Second thing is what you are saying is when the state government is going to give free medicines, then why Jan Aushadhi Kendra? Why don't you leave the option on the customers? If everything they're going to get free, they will definitely not go to the Jan Aushadhi Kendra. Definitely the Jan Aushadhi Kendra people only will go out of the premises in that case. Because you people are not keeping the medicines, they are taking it from there. If you're giving free, definitely the customers will not take from the Jan Aushadhi Kendra, no? Leave it off to the owners of the people who have taken the Jan Aushadhi Kendra on lease.
Satya Prakash, let me
Why
ask
are
you a
you forcefully
pertinent.
closing that?
Satya Prakash, there are many people who may have gone to these Jan Aushadhi Kendras or stores inside hospitals. You said you can go outside and get it. The point is that the shortage of medicines, whatever the shortage may be, how is the government, how is it going to fulfill that shortage so that somewhere you can, to some percentage point, replace those medicines in the free stores that your government has set up?
So the
What I
50 to
suggest is-
60% of the medicines are not there.
1 second, man. She's asking a question to me and you come. See, what we can do is, now these Jan Aushadhi Kendras are having an association. Now let the association give a list of drugs that these Jan Aushadhi Kendras are having within the hospital. Give the list to the health minister and say, if all the medicines that we have is available in your pharmacy, then we are ready to go up. So then the poor people will not be at a problem. Here they have to pay 50% or 60% or 70%. Instead of that, they will get it free in the hospital. If the hospital pharmacy is not able to give
Give a
what
list,
the
is
Janaushadhi
it?
Kendra,
I mean,
one
why
second.
is this?
I mean, the
your
customer should
government
decide
already has
which
too
are
much
there, which
work.
are not
Now
there,
you
and go to
want
the
a
government
list to be given? That is such a convoluted idea, Satya Prakash. Let's save time. Time is money. Dr. Halkai, go ahead.
That's
Government
what I'm
policies
saying.
are
Now,
not
no,
made
we have
over
to
a
give the
TV
list which
show.
are not available over there. Sudha, let me tell you, it's a very serious issue what we are discussing on. It is going to hamper most of the people's health, the two who are with the economical lower this one. 50 to 60% of the medicines are not available in the state-run hospitals. Because it is absolutely not that. It is not the question of this year. From past 2 years, it is not there. And
All
the
those
health minister
medicines available
himself,
in
he has
Janaushadhi
accepted it.
Kendra
Yes,
is
we
my
don't have it.
question.
We can't help it. He has told it very clearly. Yes, we don't have it. We can't help it. This is what he has told. Where are these
No, no,
people supposed to go? My question is, where are they
one
supposed to
second.
go?
On
200
all
shops,
those
if they're going
medicines
to
which
be
are
closed,
not available in the pharmacy
are the
available in
stock of the
Janaushadhi.
200 medicines, 200 shops medicines going to be kept in the other 1,000 shops? Tell me. It is not that easy, Mr. Satya Prakash. Please don't play with the health of the lower economical people. You
My
know,
question
whatever,
to
only
Dr.
because
Sudha
there is a stamp of BJP, the central government, on the Jan Aushadhi Kendra. You want to remove the Jan Aushadhi Kendra. What a serious crime you people are into it. After the death of so many pregnant
It is
women over
Indian
there,
government
infant,
Janaushadhi. It
newborn
is
babies, so
Indian.
many newborn babies have died, and
See,
pregnant women have died,
that
and this is
Janaushadhi
because
Kendra
there is.
belongs to Union government, not BJP. Please
That's
understand.
what I'm
It
saying.
is
That's what
Indian
I'm saying. It is
government's
from the
Janaushadhi
center. It is
Kendra.
the union.
It is
It
not
is union
BJP's
government.
Janaushadhi
It is the
Kendra.
union government which has a stamp of the BJP. You
You
don't
said
want to give it.
BJP.
Why
It is
did
not
you not give
BJP's
the
Janaushadhi
Ayushman
Kendra. It
Yojana?
is
Why did you
Indian
not
government's
any central
Janaushadhi
schemes you
Kendra.
don't want to implement? Please be public friendly and think about the health of the public. Please don't play with the people life
See
of the
that
people over here in
one
Karnataka in
second.
all the ways. Stop it once
Okay,
for all.
let me answer you. Let me
You don't
answer
have
you. Give me
courtesy for
also
the
some
people of
time at least.
Karnataka over here.
See, if you feel that Jan Aushadhi Kendra is having all the medicines which are not there in the general dispensary
Maximum medicines
of
compared to
the
the
government
state-run
hospital,
hospitals.
then
There
it
is no
makes
doubt
sense.
about it.
If whatever is not available there is not available in Jan Aushadhi Kendra also, it doesn't make any sense. Let the government take a decision. We are not going to abruptly stop. We said that the 31 new applications, we have kept it on hold. The
What
existing
about
ones
the
will stay.
207
Now it is up
leases who
to
are
you
there?
all.
Why have you
You
asked?
want
Why
to
you are not
prove whether
extending
whatever
their
is
lease
not
agreement?
available there is available in the
You
Jan
have asked
Aushadhi
them to
Kendra.
vacate the
I
premises.
myself have I
No, this
myself
is a
have gone
very
to Jan
serious note.
Aushadhi
You are not
Kendra.
understanding, Mr.
Not
Satya Prakash. Please don't
Right,
play with the life
all
of the
right.
people.
On that note, I think all of us here, Satya Prakash, of course, also included, we do understand that the poor need to be given medicines and completely free of cost, and if subsidized, nothing like it. I think we have to work towards, Kannadigas, and we're talking about Karnataka. Kannadigas, poor Kannadigas getting medicine. I'm sure the government will take a look at it. Just because
have
it's
to
a
reconsider.
central funded scheme does not mean that it has to be put on the back burner. And like Satya Prakash said, it is an Indian government
I
scheme.
have a suggestion there. I have a
It is
suggestion,
not a
This is the
Sudha.
Indian
BJP scheme.
government
I've
scheme.
completely
Why?
run out of
Okay,
time. Then I will have to be given medicine. My producer will
It's
not
not a
leave me
BJP.
alone
That's
if
My
small,
I
small
be
apology
late.
for
suggestion,
that.
small
My
suggestion.
apology for
Few
that.
seconds,
But
let me.
because it is a
Only
union
few
government
seconds.
scheme,
Only few seconds.
Ayushman Bharat also they have
What
not
I'm
implemented
All
suggesting,
right,
in
okay.
Karnataka.
all the medicine.